Welcome friends, once again this is this is box number 22 and the MRP of this box is 2238 and I am giving this for 1000 rupees free shipping. The MRP of this box is 2238 means 2238 rupees. In this box you are getting so many of decoupage papers that are 75 GSM. So I am going to upload the decoupage paper. These size are A4, so it won't be possible. Okay, now it's fine. So you can count, there are so many designs. So let's start. You are getting these decoupage papers for 1000 rupees. So we are going to count side by side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, I think so, yeah, 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58. It's a very good deal. 58 we have done. 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66, and there are some small 67 68 69 70 71 72, okay, 73 74 75 76 77 and 78 79 80 81 82 things you are getting, and these are some 6x6 cardstock, and the GSM is around 270 or 300 approx. So, and you are getting this sentiment cardstock in this. So it's a very good deal. The MRP of this is 2238 and I think we have count 76 if I'm not wrong. So it's a very good offer for you all. Just give me a minute. 1000 to 76, it's just a 13 rupees if I'm not wrong. If we take I have counted 76, right? So आपको 14 रुपीज़ का ये पड़ रहा है. It's a very good deal. Thank you.